Guys, welcome back. It's Ala. Oh my gosh, we saw the most incredible place in the world, Amalfi Coast, and I've never seen anything this gorgeous. The road, we took like this trip, it was going all the way from Naples, so we're on a cruise ship. We go to Naples and I booked this tour for me and Johnny, which would take us to Amalfi Coast and drive around and stop at different things, and oh, it was amazing. It was just like so breathtaking, and I highly recommend to anybody to go just do this drive. Even if you just go alone and do this scenic drive, it's like nothing you've ever seen before, and I can see why it's so famous. But it's so tiny and it's a little dangerous and scary. We're in the bus and the guy was just driving, and it was scary. Like, you know, he was obviously a professional, but if I was driving, I probably would freak out a lot of the time. So the video is very, very beautiful, guys. So you're gonna love this video. And one very exciting thing that's happening is that I'm opening my webinar to the cheesecake course for free. It's a free masterclass that I'm gonna be doing live, which I haven't done in so many years. So it's gonna be very fun getting back in the kitchen with you guys live. And it's a live webinar where I'll show you how to make the cinnamon bun cheesecake. It's the most famous cinnamon bun cheesecake ever. It got over 2.2 million views on my social media, so people are going absolutely nuts about it. And I think it's because a lot of people love cinnamon buns, cinnamon bun, all of these kind of things, and it's just super cozy. And we're going to do it step by step together in my live webinar. It is completely free. We're going to be cooking for about 2 to 3 hours together, and I don't want you to miss out because I'm not repeating this. It's only once, so make sure you sign up. Put your email and your Sorry name. About my tongue twisting. Like I said, put your email and your name. Okay, I had to think for a second. Make sure you put the right email address, because if you misspell your email address, you're not going to be getting any of our email sort of messages, okay, when the webinar goes live, when you get the link. So make sure to do that step correctly. And I'm very excited, and I can't wait to see you at the webinar. It's going to be an incredible masterclass, and I hope really you enjoy this video as well. If you've never been to Italy, you might enjoy it. You will see if you want to go there. Hopefully I've given you a little bit of the teaser. And yeah, it was just an amazing day. We really enjoyed this tour. It was a full-on day. I think it was like 8 or 9 hours. And we just drove around and back through the other side and saw the volcano in Naples. We didn't get to stop and see the historical bits, unfortunately, so that means we're going to have to come back. But we definitely had an amazing day, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you've ever been to these places, and let me know if you sign up to the webinar. Here we go. So ship again. giant ship. Cruise around Italy. Italian cruise. Second cruise. Second Italian cruise. Well, this one's a bit more of Italy. So yay.
So this is the exit to get to Gragnano if you go to Napoli. But guys, after this tunnel, be prepared to look on your right hand side.
Here we are. Our first stop. Gorgeous.
One at a time, I take photo
You
for
ready
you.
to find out how limoncello is made?
Yeah, absolutely.
Look at that background. It's like a drop on a Zoom. You know, you put a background in.
That's right. Yeah.
We got a limoncello cocktail. 9 a.m. What do you have to say, sir?
I was the best tourist in the world.
You are the best tourist. What did you buy? We bought pistachio, creme, and limoncello. And look at the pastries. Okay, we're continuing the tour. Go and show me. We got some lemon pastries over here and some pistachio stick. But try.
Sorrento, that's small like a normal lemon, and we call it in 2 ways. Oval of Sorrento, because like a normal lemon. Then guys, there is the lemon of Amalfi, bigger than a normal lemon, and is sweeter also than your classical lemon. And guys, it's called we have pasta made with lemon. In my opinion, in 100 years in this area, they are going to even invent gasoline.
Okay, so far the pastries actually surprised us a lot. They were tasty.
We were tasty after 3 shots.
No, they were just tasty. It was actually really well done. I've got the last one. I saved it. Pistachio. Some sort of thing.
Log?
Pistachio log. Cannoli, but not really. Look, it's like caramelly and nutty. It's gone nuts. LOL. We are in Sorrento. We are in Sorrento. Look at that road.
Very pretty.
Here are the limoncello lemons. I want you to smell, but it says don't touch. All these fresh fruit markets. Everywhere we go, we buy chocolate. We're getting this fresh lemon sorbet in the lemon. How exciting. Oh, she just picks out the lemon from the fridge. Just puts the lemon thing.
Look, you just still change the price.
Do you have change? Got the lemon sorbet, that's traditional. Everything is lemon here. Everything. Lemon plates, lemon dresses, lemon bikinis. Now we got the lemon sorbet. Where's my husband? Husband! Let's sit down. Trying the lemon sorbet here. It's all melting. It's actually in a lemon. I don't know if you can see. A bit cold.
Oh, here. She got one of these.
Did you just buy it?
Yeah.
See? Or you're covering your whole face. You just come closer. Yeah, you're covering your face like this. There we are in this town.
Why don't you go for that?
If I stand here, you can stand on the staircase. I can also take Positano behind you.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Crazy.
Here we are in the Amalfi Coast. It's gorgeous, very, very gorgeous. Just so grand with all these mountains. Mountains and the infinite ocean. Johnny. Wow. These are the famous tomatoes from here. They call them Naples. They're like 20 euros.
Lots of love.
This is pasta in a bowl. We're in this crazy little place. We ordered the clones of seafood. Oh my gosh, the noodles in it. Such a pretty town. We're here. Wow.
We have to go to Wagner's thing, baby.
Wow. The lemon cake made with these Napoleon lemons.
Very lemony.
is that your review? Very lemony. Guys, this is absolutely gorgeous here. I feel like we just ate all day. Oh, gonna. That's the volcano.
Towards Sunset Plus. It's crazy ass birds. And a woman.